The cement elevator is a key piece of equipment. In the cement production line, there are two series of hoppers being welded this time. NB series buckets, TGD series buckets. Its core component is the hopper. It is responsible for carrying and transporting materials. Select robot welding and consistency of the weld. The robot can perform continuous welding for 24 hours without interruption. Dual station design. The process of loading, clamping, welding can be carried out in parallel. The robot has almost no waiting time. Productivity has improved significantly. Ensure that orders are delivered on time. Effectively reduce labor costs. A workstation typically requires only one operator. Be responsible for loading and unloading materials and inspection. Can replace 3 to 5 senior welders. At the same time, extremely low rework rate and scrap rate. A significant reduction in material and labor costs. It can also improve the working environment and ensure production safety. Robot welding for your smart manufacturing.